So if the problem tells you who's congruent to who, so A, B, C is congruent to D, F, E, notice that D, F, E is not in alphabetical order and it doesn't have to be, okay? I like to put them on top of each other like this. Everybody see that? I like to put them on top. And then I start marking the angles and the sides. So I mark the angles first. I have A is congruent to D, because that's the guy below him. B is congruent to who? F. And E is congruent to C.
Yeah.
Everybody see that?
Yeah.
Now I look at the sides. If you look at AB, AB is right there. Who are the letters below AB? Down here. Who are the letters below AB?
DFE?
DF, right?
DF, yeah.
So AB is congruent to DF. BC, which is this guy right here, is congruent
To F, E.
to EF, right, or FE. And then the third one, AC, is congruent to DE. I like to mark my picture first. If you don't, you will make silly mistakes. Okay? So mark your picture first, if you know your congruency. So if they tell you that the triangles are congruent, then you can just decide. You have to put a congruency statement. A congruency statement has to be in order. Any reason that's happening?
Wi-Fi's been really bad today. We were in the Lincoln for gym, and I was trying to airplay the video.
So the first thing I'm going to do is put the ABC over the DFE. And I'm going to mark my A with my D, my B with my F, and my E with my C. Everybody understand that?
Yeah.
Do that first, then you won't. And so from the 2 to the 3, this is equal to this right here. Everybody get that? And this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. So they want you to find X and Y. So if you have to find the Y first, because this has 2 letters, when you have 2 letters, you need 2 equations, so don't. But the Y is going to be the same in both of these. So they tell you this one only has 1 letter. We have to start with him. So we have 8Y minus 5 equals 99. So 8Y equals 104. And Y equals 12, maybe? Y equals 13.
So,
Everybody get that?
yeah.
Do you understand how to get that? So we already have Y and we need X. So we know that 2X plus Y, 2Y plus X
Thank you.
equals 38.4, because those are the 2 sides that are equal. Y is 13, so that's 26. 2 times 13 plus X equals 38.4. So X equals 12.4 when you subtract the 2. So on number 3 on the first page, you have a parallelogram and a rectangle, I guess. But when I said, when you see parallel lines, you're going to look for alternate interior. So the first thing you're going to look at is this angle up here is alternate interior with this guy down here. And this guy over here, when you look at it sideways, is alternate interior with this guy here. That means that this angle here must be congruent to that angle there, because the 3 angles have to add up to 180, and that has to be. So when I write KLM, the letter that goes in the bottom with the top K is M, and the one that goes with the M in the top one is the K, and then, J goes with the L, and K goes with the M. So that's your congruency statement. Now you write your 3 angles. Angle K, angle L, and angle M are congruent to the guy that's right below them. So you just put angle M, angle J, and angle K. And now you put the sides.
So this-
KL, LM, and KM are congruent to the guys below them. So KL is MJ, LM is JK, and the last one is MK. And then you have your 6 congruency statements.